Hello and welcome to How to Pass TOEFL and IELTS online course. This video is a guide how to use Google Classroom, learning management system that we are going to use for this course. Also, I will provide you with some tips and strategies how to learn effectively online. We have chosen Google Classroom for this online course, and you have an access to orientation module in your email. This course is 8 weeks or 8 modules. Every week and every module will be in a separate Google Classroom section. I have decided to do so because it will be easier for you to see the materials of the module and the module will not be overloaded. The course starts on April the 2nd and continues for 8 weeks. During 8 weeks, we will cover all the 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, speaking, that will be tested during your real IELTS or TOEFL exams. Now we will look together what you should do during orientation module, and other modules will have similar structure and assignments. We have added you as students to Google Classroom, and you should have received a notification from Google Classroom platform. Also, we have sent you an email with an access code. There are 2 ways how you can access Google Classroom and orientation module. If you access the course with the help of a desktop or a laptop, go to classroom.google.com, press plus, and click Join the class, and use the access code from the email. If you access the course from your smartphone, use the link for App Store for your iPhone or other link for Play Market if you have an Android. Download the application Google Classroom, open it, and use the access code that we have sent you in the email. When you first log on the course, you will see the following on your screen. Read the announcement and information that you will need for the course. You should be ready to spend from 7 to 9 hours a week for the course. However, you choose yourself when you are going to study and complete the assignments. We will have 1 hour weekly real-time meeting in Zoom, so please download it either to your computer or a smartphone. Every week, there will be a discussion question to which you have to provide an answer, and also you should reply to one of the participants. In this orientation module, there is also a discussion question. To complete it, you should write a question, if you have any, about orientation module. If you have completed all the assignments in the orientation module and everything is clear to you and you do not have any questions, just write, "I have studied all the tasks of the orientation module and I do not have any questions." But before you do that, please go to the student section. There you can see all your peers, that is classmates. It would be better if you use your Gmail to access the course in Google Classroom, as Google synchronizes everything. The third section is About, and this is the place where you can find all the materials for the module. So the first thing for you to do is to download the checklist. You can also print it out if you wish and tick the things you have completed. Actually, you should do it on the first day of the course starts, and then every Monday, the beginning of each week, because there will be a new checklist for every week. Looking at the checklist at the beginning of the week will help you to distribute the course load during the week. I would advise you to log on the course daily and spend at least half an hour. If you don't feel like doing the assignments today, you can watch a short video with tips or read posts in the discussion thread. During orientation module, you have to complete 8 short tasks. The video Navigating the Online course is the video you are watching now. In the course, you will also have to complete and upload assignments. To do so, you should press plus, name the assignment according to the instructions, attach a file or a link and post it. All your assignments will be graded according to IELTS band descriptors on every skill. Also, you will be provided with detailed feedback from me and your peers in the course. I try to anticipate all the questions you might have while completing orientation module and the course itself, but if I missed something or something is not clear to you, just contact us at online@howtopasstoeflielts.com. I cannot promise you 24-hour support, but my team and I will try to help you as soon as possible, and I promise that you won't have to wait longer than 24 hours. I wish you good luck with How to Pass TOEFL and IELTS online course, and I'm looking forward to starting the course with you on April the 2nd. Thanks for watching.